Today I'm going to show you how to mount our ESPI Titan outdoor UPS. Turn it up. You'll see the Titan controller. We're going to remove that and set it aside for a little bit. First thing to do is to secure the enclosure to a wall or floor joist or any secure surface where you're going to mount it to. We recommend mounting on the north or east sides of the house if possible. And even though the enclosure is rated for outdoor use, it's always a good practice to keep it out of the weather as much as possible, possibly under an overhang or some type of protection. So I'm just going to use some standard drywall screws to get this mounted to the wall. So now it's good and secure. The next step is to go ahead and get the Titan controller wired in place. So we're going to bring our 7-conductor power alarm wire into the enclosure. Through the bottom there's a cable gland there to keep moisture and insects out. Run that through. I typically strip about 2.5 inches of the outer sheeting off, and then about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch of insulation off each conductor. The easiest thing for me to do is take a small screwdriver on the Titan controller. There's 7 pins. You just pull them back and insert the wire. The first pin is your positive power wire. Insert it into the hole. Pull the tab back. Give the wire a push in. Pull on it, tug, make sure it's secure. After that's done, you can rest your controller there. So ESPI does our UPSs just a little differently than everybody else. We have an AC to DC transformer. So you're going to plug this into your wall outlet. You'll see a positive and negative terminal here. You can have up to 115 feet between the wall wart and our Titan controller. So we don't send a predetermined cord length. You can make up whatever length of wire that you need. We recommend using a 16-2 power wire. ESPI sells this as well. So we have our 16-2 power wire. You want to run that through the bottom of your enclosure, through the cable gland, up behind the controller, flip open the cap that exposes positive and negative terminals. You can put the red wire to the positive terminal, which is marked on the enclosure, and then do the same thing to the black for the negative wire. So you get your battery that is supplied. There's 2 tabs in there. Make sure the battery tabs are about a 35 to 40 degree angle. You start it in, secure it. You'll feel it kind of lock in place. There should be a tab here. You want this tab underneath the bottom. You put it in place. There's some tabs on the side that slide in to the enclosure. Pull those Velcro straps out of the way before you do that. Slide it in place. Then all you have to do is connect the other end of your power wire to your wall wart, plug it into your AC outlet, and you're all done. Thank you.